Hello, second grade. Welcome to day 40, lesson 12 and 13 of this module. Your learning targets for today. I can identify and label the parts of a hummingbird. I can describe how I can help pollinators. Now, read with me. I can identify and label the parts of a hummingbird. I can describe how I can help pollinators. Today, you will reread the text Hummingbirds, draw and label the parts of a hummingbird, and you will reflect on how you can help hummingbirds. For today, you will need the following: the text Hummingbirds, Part 2, page 10 of your Helping Pollinators journal, a pencil, and the pause button. Let's reread the text Hummingbirds. You can read with a family member, caregiver, or a friend. You can read by yourself, or listen to me read. Let's read. Hummingbirds. Table of contents. Not like other birds, page 4. The smallest bird, page 7. Facts about hummingbirds, page 8. Flying like a helicopter, page 9. Eating from flowers, page 11. Glossary, page 14. Not like other birds. There is a bird that can be seen zipping from flower to flower like a bee. It stops in the air, seeming to float. Its wings beat so fast they hum. It's not like other birds. It's a hummingbird. All birds hatch from eggs. All birds have these parts: feathers, wings, a beak. Can you find these parts on the hummingbird above? Hummingbirds have these things too, but hummingbirds are also very different. The smallest bird. Other birds can be small, but not like hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds of them all. The littlest hummingbird is the bee hummingbird. It's just a little bigger than a bee. Other hummingbirds are bigger than that, but they are still very small. Facts about hummingbirds. Number 1. A hummingbird's beak can be almost as long as its body. Number 2. Hummingbirds are often very colorful. Number 3. This hummingbird's powerful wings beat 53 times each second. Number 4. This hummingbird is about 3.5 inches, or 9 centimeters, long. Number 5. A hummingbird's heart beats up to 1,200 times a minute, faster than any other bird's. This is a ruby-throated hummingbird. Flying like a helicopter. Other birds can fly, but not like hummingbirds. This bird flies straight ahead. Hummingbirds fly forward and backward. They can fly straight up or straight down. They can stay in one place, hovering like a helicopter. They can travel sideways and even upside down. Eating from flowers. Other birds use their beaks to eat, but not in the same way as hummingbirds. Hummingbirds eat from flowers. They use their long beaks to reach the nectar inside flowers. Then they stick out their tongues to drink the sweet liquid. Hummingbirds use a lot of energy, so they eat almost all day long. Hummingbirds hover to get nectar from flowers. Other birds can be interesting, but not as interesting as hummingbirds. Glossary. Beak. The sharp, hard part that covers the mouth of a bird or other animal. Energy. The power to do work, make a change, or move objects. Feathers, soft, fluffy parts of a bird that cover its body and make up its tail. Hovering, staying in one place in the air. Nectar, the sweet liquid that flowering plants make. Wings, the limbs that help insects and birds fly. Let's think about this. Look at all of the hummingbird pictures in the book. Which one is your favorite? What are the most important details you would need to include if you made a scientific drawing of this hummingbird? Look back into the text and answer these questions. Ready? Pause the video. Let's talk about this. Reflect on all you have learned about how pollinators help the world. How can you help pollinators in your real life? In your conversation, you may include these sentences. One way I can help pollinators is, I can also help pollinators by. So, with a friend, a family member, or by yourself, talk about this question. How can you help pollinators in your real life? Ready? Pause the video. Let's write about it. Draw your chosen hummingbird, including all important details. Include a label for each part of the bird. See page 5 of the book Hummingbirds. Then, reflect on how you can help pollinators like hummingbirds in real life. Do this on page 10 of your journal. When you're finished, share this with a teacher or a family member or a friend. That's all, second grade. Thank you and have a great day.